This is Azerbaijan, where the ancient fire temple glow beneath the modern skyline. From the Caspian Sea to the Caucasus Mountain, it's a land of carpet, caviar, and culture. A place where flames dances in the history and hospitality warms every heart. Here, East meets West, and every sunset tells a story. Azerbaijan has been inhabited since the Stone Age and later became a key hub on the Silk Road. Azerbaijan declared its independence from the Soviet Union on August 30, 1991 and officially became an independent republic on October 18, 1991. As of February 1, 2025, Azerbaijan's population reached approximately 10.23 million. Azerbaijan is a land of contrast where modern city blend with ancient culture and natural beauty. Now meet Baku, Azerbaijan's capital, a city where glass skyscrapers rise above the UNESCO protected old towns where ancient caravanserais now host trendy cafes. And the flame towers light up the night, paying tribute to the country's fairy spirit. Now, Ganja, Azerbaijan's second largest city, rich in history and culture, home to ancient mosques, mausoleums, and beautiful parks. Shaiki, a picturesque town nestled in the Caucasus Mountain, famous for its traditional architecture, Sheikh Khan's palace, and sweet halwa. Kebela, a favorite among nature lovers and adventure seekers, surrounded by forest and mountains. It offers hiking, cable cars, and ski resorts. Here, the Prime Minister Ilham Aliyev is the head of government, and Azerbaijan is a peaceful country. Azerbaijan uses one time zone across the whole country. It follows Azerbaijan Standard Time, which is UTC +4. The country used to have daylight saving, but now the time stays the same all year. Here, the official currency is Azerbaijan's currency is the Azerbaijani manat. Talking about the export, Azerbaijan's biggest export is oil and natural gas, making up the majority of its earnings. The country sends energy to Europe and neighboring nations through major pipelines like the Baku-Tbilisi-Ceyhan. It also exports cotton, fruits like pomegranate and apples, vegetables, chemicals, and metals. Now let's move to their major imports. Since Azerbaijan focuses heavily on energy production, it imports many consumer goods, machinery, vehicles, pharmaceutical, and food products. Its key trade partner includes Russia, Turkey, China, Germany, and Italy. Traditional wrestling is one of the most beloved and national sport of Azerbaijan. It's a symbol of strength and pride, especially during festival and local competitions. Azerbaijani cuisine is a rich blend of Turkish, Persian, Middle Eastern, and Russian influences, known for its aromatic spices, grilled meat, and saffron rice dishes. Some of the popular Azerbaijan dishes include pilaf, dolma, kebab and shashlik, levangi, kutab, sheikh burbara, baklava, bushbara, and piti. Azerbaijan is serving up a never-ending journey of taste and flavor. The country is also famous for its lamb dishes, fresh vegetables, and delicious sweet like baklava. People from different countries and culture find Azerbaijan to be a friendly, welcoming place. The official language of Azerbaijan is Azerbaijani, also called Azeri. Azerbaijan has produced many famous people in music, sports, and politics. Here are some names you might know. From stunning mountains to ancient tradition, flavorful food to vibrant cities, this is Azerbaijan, a land of culture, beauty, and endless discovery. Whether you're here for the history, the music, or the taste, Azerbaijan is truly one of the kind. And to finish, enjoy the beauty and energy of Azerbaijan's traditional dance, a vibrant celebration of its culture and spirit. When are you going to experience it for yourself? Let us know what adventure or taste you want us to bring to you next.